Every day, interesting tools are appearing in the perspective of generative AI. Just look at this tool, which allows you to create personalized bedtime stories for kids. Every kid is different, as we know. Some kids are interested in dinosaurs, some kids are interested in cars, some in sports, and then the list goes on and on and on. And these interests change by the hour, if not day. So you could imagine that, for example, if you have a 4-year-old or 3-year-old and their interests are changing every day, it's very hard to come up with bedtime stories on your own. And if you go to the shops and buy the stories or even from the online, then it could get quite expensive very soon, because once the story is read, it's gone. But if you use generative AI, then you could have a new story every day tailored to your child's interest, and that is where it shines. Of course, you can do the same thing by just going to ChatGPT or any other LLM and then just ask them, okay, I want this story for 4-year-old in respect of dinosaurs. But if you tailor it with this tool, that might become more personalized. So in this video, I'm just going to show you this tool, which is called as Little Story, and with the help of this, you can create tailored or personalized, customized bedtime stories for your kids. Now, it's not free; you would have to buy it in order to work with it, but I will leave that decision to you. If you see any value in it to buy, or you want to go to ChatGPT or any similar tool and do it directly. Now, if on the left hand side, you can read the stories like Alice in the Gamer Universe. So if you click on it, and this is the story they have written, there is also an image which was generated, which is quite cool. And then this story goes on and on and on, and this is quite interesting. And then another cool thing is that you can even play it out. Now, it's not still there. When I click on it, it says that this feature is not available, so they're asking for my email. Anyway, that's fine. And if you click on write a story on the left hand side, then from here you can create a story about peer pressure or maybe something else. You can see that maybe care for environment, and then set in a superhero metropolis. You can change this context. You can say, okay, let's go to maybe Space Tales, and then add a child. Now, when you click on add a child, it asks you to pay, which is around $10 per month or $900 per year subscription, which in my opinion is a bit expensive. And even in that $10, you can have only 40 personalized stories per month. So I think this is a bit expensive here. Anyway, so I'm not selecting this. Let's see if it is able to write me a story. Let's click on it. No, it's not generating the story. It is just asking me to subscribe, which of course we are not going to do. And then there is a public library where you can explore a lot of things. Similarly, on the left hand side, for example, if I click on this Sorcery Summit, similarly there are stories which they have created. And this I really like, where you can see that it shows you how many minutes are remaining. This is cool. Anyway, interesting stuff. Let me know your thoughts. But there is no mode, of course, to this tool. This could be easily replaced by directly talking to LLM. Even with ChatGPT for Vision, you can just ask it to write a story and also create images with it, and it will do it. And if you have $20 subscription with it, you can do it unlimited, or almost unlimited stories there. That's it, guys. This was the review. Let me know your thoughts on it, or if you are aware of any other similar tools or apps, please put them in the comments. And if you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you very much.